Hello everyone. Welcome to Simplified Learning. Today we are learning Gunitaksharagalu in Kannada. How to write Gunitaksharagalu. The combination of consonants and vowels is called Gunitaksharagalu. ವ್ಯಂಜನಗಳಿಗೆ ಸ್ವರ ಸೇರಿದರೆ ಅದು ಗುಣಿತಾಕ್ಷರವಾಗುತ್ತದೆ. With the example we will see how to write this. We are adding consonant plus vowel to get the Gunitaksara. In this example, we have taken the consonant K. K plus a K. K is a consonant, a is a vowel. K plus a K. K plus a Ka. K plus e Ki. K plus e Ki. K plus u Ku. K plus u Ku. K plus ru Kru. K plus a K. K plus a K. K plus I Kai. K plus o Ko. K plus o Ko. K plus au Kau. At the end we add yogavahagalu also, that is and aha. K plus kam. K plus aha kaha. Same way we will be writing for all the consonants. If you are liking our videos, please do subscribe, like and share. Thank you for watching.